What's up, guys? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from a 2014 Ford Flex EcoBoost. Now, I don't know if you guys know a whole lot about the Flex EcoBoost, but they're hot rods. Freaking hot rods. This one only has 118,000 miles. It's got the good looking wheels, bald Yokohama tires. What did I say, 118,000 miles? But this is the nastiest one car I've ever been in my life, and I'll show you why here in just a second. I wanted to look under the hood real quick. If I can get under the hood. I may not. I just couldn't remember which EcoBoost engine was in these things. I guess it's the 3.5. There's some signs of oil leakage. You don't know if it's new or old, but it has had it at one point. Oh, but guys, this car was used to do nothing but haul dogs. Look at this. Dogs. Dogs, dogs. Look at the seats. Nothing but dogs. Dude, the dog hair. Sorry, these WeatherTech mats didn't have a chance. I mean, this is awful. Look at this. I had a nice one back here, but nah, just let them run around. It don't matter. Look how nasty, filthy. Oh. Let's see. No, there's a button somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, close that. But y'all, this thing drives so good. Even with the bald tires. Oh man, it smells like golden retriever in here so bad. So bad. I mean, straight up golden retriever. I mean, it's got cold air conditioning. I got the AC seats going. This thing is fast. I'm trying to get my seatbelt on if I can. This one will be cheap tomorrow because nobody will bid on something this filthy. No way. I don't have any warning lights on except I'm almost out of fuel. And this thing will boogie, y'all. God, she's quick. Dog hair flying everywhere. It's in my teeth. God. Anyway, take a guess. What would something like this sell for? 2014, 118,000 miles, pretty low miles. Oil change and everything's been kept up on it. Needs a set of tires bad. It does have Yokohamas on them all the way around, but they are flat bald. I'm so distraught about this car, I do not even remember where I found it. Oh, I remember. This was a Gwinnett Ford trade-in. This thing's great, y'all. And you know what? I'm going to bid on it. You betcha. I'm going to bid on this thing. I don't care how nasty it is. I'll get in here and I'll work on it and I'll clean it up. And I'll make it nice again. Gotta get the smell out of here, though. How much you want to bet it needs a cabin air filter? Oh, EcoBoost runs great. old My Touch or Sync, Sony Sync, My Touch. Hell, I can't remember. Seems to work well. This thing's all-wheel drive. Ice cold AC. It just stinks. Does have a sunroof. It just stinks. It has the little windows in the back, but it is filthy. Look at the nose prints. Ooh, man, this thing is nasty. Golly. These front two seats are the only ones that aren't bad. But you know what? I can appreciate a dog lover. I really can. Maybe she had some sort of rescue thing going on. Maybe this car was paid for and it was a third car and she had a new car and they just hauled dogs in it. You know, people got their reasons. And that's okay. But I tell you what, this thing runs perfect. Perfect. Okay, my high speed, I turned it off and turned it back on. I made the traction control light go on, service stability track, advanced track. Let me turn that off again. Probably because of that full throttle. Yeah, there it goes. It went away. Doesn't have a check engine light. But if this thing's cheap, I'm going to buy it tomorrow. You can bet on it. I've always liked these Ford Flexes. They're huge. And they just throw back to the old mom and pop wagon days. You know, man? So cool. If it's cheap, I'm buying. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.